You're broke, struggling, or simply stuck and surviving. Whose fault is it? I'm sure you will have a story, and that sad story is what your mind portrays on you to put the blame on, and ego is not questioned. But that story is a story, not the truth. It's based on past events when you were ignorant, decision power was limited, a lot of moving parts in the relationship were uncontrollable, and you were the perfect victim of the circumstances. What if I give you a magic wand, and whatever you want comes into existence immediately? Be it wealth and abundance, blissful, harmonious relations, and world-conquering legacy is all yours. We teach this endpoint visualization in our Life Change workshops. These are not just feel-good fantasies. These are real 21st century neuroscientific practices that alters your brain, and it's working completely. You start to stand up to the challenge to teach yourself before teaching. You see what's broken inside. This makes you grounded, calm, and non-reactive to see through your internal chaos. You just need to come across a mentor. It could be a book, a mentor, or a family friend that has the wisdom of our thoughts. The irony is that although more than 95% of people struggle due to their faulty thinking patterns, no school or colleges teach how to correct our thinking patterns. Peer pressure, violent films, yellow journalism and news, and the endless avalanche of the social media that we are surrounded in make it impossible to discern who is right and what is noise. I used to be so scared even to listen to anyone I don't know, and the people whom I know were always preaching what they never practiced. I still clearly remember many years ago, I thought about how people become rich. I never knew anybody close to me was even a millionaire in a 10-kilometer radius, and I thought, this will be even my destiny. But these are the stories that our mind weaves and spins so that we are terrified and don't dare to leave the status quo. This mind has some weak points at which it can be manipulated for our own success. You need to learn to monitor your monkey mind, question it, interrogate it. This is called metacognition. This is the most valuable trait that every highly successful person possesses. They can monitor, analyze their thoughts, words, and actions, and then slowly align them to the one that leads to massive success. It's quite simple to hear, but it takes a lot to understand how it works. First, your ego or bad conditioning like never trust strangers blinds you. You never come to a conclusion that the problem is not outside, but it's inside our untrained mind. There is a beautiful proverb, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. This is so true for most of my clients and participants. Till the time they were fighting on behalf of their untrained mind, they were spending tons of energy, time, and resources, and were never able to even imagine prosperity and abundance. What 21st century neuroscience has discovered from learning brain scans and EEGs is that the people who really make a difference create massive success, reverse engineer whatever they want. It means they visualize from the end vision and then start retracing their steps back to where they are. It's contradictory to say step back to what you are now. It means you create the ideal success vision right now in the mind, irrespective of your current problems. An African proverb says, "Conquer the enemy within. The enemy outside cannot do any harm." You will plan an escape from your untrained mind when you see it as your captor. If you don't even recognize the invisible trap your untrained mind is keeping you in, then at 30, 40, or 60, you will struggle continuously. Hear me out. Your 9-to-5 job funds your survival. Your side hustle on weekends funds your freedom. Our mind is immensely resourceful and capable of doing enormous tasks, but your default mind keeps it fearful, feeds nonsense like curiosity, kill the cat. This is all BS. You need to beat your untrained default mind at the same game that it plays against your thoughts, behaviors, and actions. The day you decide you want to be free, your needle of the inner compass starts shifting. Do not lament that you started late. You are like wine. The more you age, the more fine wisdom you bring in. If something is stirring inside to know what can be done to disrupt this default thinking of helplessness and despair, subscribe to the channel and comment on what you're fighting with lately. The content of this channel is dedicated to show you a path to massive success through neuroscientific and psychological practices. This is so simple when learned but unimaginable if you don't know your faulty, untrained mind, is unconsciously compelling to do. You need to understand that what you are earning, be it more or humble, is not the problem. It's your mind programs about money that's faulty. Most of the clients I work with have that deep-rooted, scary mind program about money that it's hard-earned. It may have been planted when you saw your parents struggling financially or some bad experiences with money. This retroactively links every point till the present moment. This faulty mind program has to be challenged and disrupted. One way is to read self-development books, but your faulty mind will not compel you to do that boring task. Then the other option is to get a mentor, but your ego will never let its guard down to even listen to any capable mentor. I get so many hindsight praise. How many of my clients have shared with me how a friend's recommendation of attending my Life Change weekend webinar has changed their life completely. You do not lack capability. You lack the vision and the driving force that is in the control of your untrained mind. It shows the sad picture of gloom and doom and thus keeps you terrified. I agree, and even I struggled at one stage to dream outside of my comfort zone. You need to sow the seeds of strong, dominant thoughts that will break the influence of your untrained default mind. It's easy when you understand how our ancient mammalian part of the brain keeps us stuck, terrified, thus maintaining our comfort zone. But as you keep on feeding dominant, powerful, and wise thoughts, these gain strength, and eventually you match up with the resistance and even overcome it. There are natural neuroscientific practices that can give power over your untrained default mind programs. First, you will learn to monitor it, then challenge it by doing some completely new act. You need to jolt yourself out of that mind program. This is what we teach in our weekend Life Change webinars and workshops. To learn more about getting freedom from bad thinking patterns and creating the dream life, subscribe and comment below on what you want to change, and that is not happening. I will give you a tip based on 21st century neuroscience.